What's up, traders? What's up? Welcome back, bro. So now, guys, listen. I genuinely think support and resistance is better than ICT or whatever smart money, right? Because look at this. Look at this. Like, uh, when you're trading ICT, right? You come here and say like, okay, there's liquidity sweep. Probably there's G, this high, this high is right. This high is right, this high is and then you're like, oh, liquidity sweep all those shit, right? And then we have this London opening, right? We have this the London session. Okay, let me just okay. So London started at 9 a.m. Cat Central Africa time, right? And then we have this liquidity sweep. We can see the week, uh, whatever it did there, and then we go on to 5 minutes, right? Right, and then we can see this fair value gap, right? This fair value gap right here, right? And price here after in the London session did not actually get in that London session, right? I don't know where it's like. Obviously, this market structure shift, and then there's also this IFEG, right? Probably you enter right here, right? But I didn't use ICT. I didn't use ICT. I used support and resistance. Genuinely support and resistance. So I was like, okay, this is support, right? This is my TP just got here. Smashed, bro. Smashed. 1:2, smashed. Okay, I'm closing my trades. Eesh, I didn't put TP here. My TP was supposed to be at 1:2, somewhere here. Oh, yo. Today's price is just nice. Today's price is just nice, bro. 1:2, guys. 1:2 hit, bro. 1:2, nicely. Is there news today? Let me just check news. Okay. Let me check news. Forexvictory.com. Boy, my TP just got hit, bro. Both trades. Okay, so my TP was right here, right? And you can see the liquidity has been swapped, right? So let's see. Okay, I just want to close this trade now. Okay. So there's this guy on Twitter. This guy just focuses on 1:1, right? And then I don't know, guys. I'm sure he's in. He only trades GJ, and then he waits for quarter point 75, which means this entry is like somewhere here 75, and then his TP is on 50. Yeah, I started his strategy. It's just 1:1 all the time. So I raised 1%, which is $50. So now, yeah, I just wanna put TP hit again. Oh shit! I like this. Ooh, it keeps going. Yo, okay, this was actually a very good trade. So you can see, okay, I'm going to remove these lines. Okay. So using support and resistance, right? You can see on 15 minutes, what is the previous support? This one, right? This one, okay. This one, right? Price went up, then bounced here, right? Then went up, and then in the London session, pre-London session, right? You can see right after this liquidity sweep, price came, broke the support, right, and it became resistance. Now, price went up again in the London session around 9:15, 9:30. It was there consolidating 2-3 candles. Then I was like, okay, it's going to sell now because it broke the support and it's on resistance. So sell 1:2. My stop loss was up above here on 185.53, and then my entry was somewhere around there. And then you can see price boom in the London session. So I'm starting to like this London session. I'm sure it is clean prices. And then as well as the Asian Pro, the Asian. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT right now. So there's no news. The news is at the news session, and then I don't usually trade news session. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT now if support and resistance is better than ICT. Let's see. Let's see. Finally, let's see. Hi ChatGPT, where should we begin? Okay. So is is support and resistance better than ICT? Short answer: neither is better in general. They solve different problems. One matter is clarity, consistency, and execution. Yeah. Consistency. Okay, here's a breakdown. Support resistance works on all markets and time frames. Pro can be subjective if you draw levels randomly. If you draw levels randomly, it is subjective. But I'm sure if you do it based on the sessions, like the London session, the New York session, you will win, right? Because there are unnecessary moves there. And then ICT gives a narrative for market behavior. So ICT only gives a narrative for market behavior, right? Manipulation. Okay. The honest truth, most people won't say. Suppose done well beats ICT done poorly all the time. What? What? That's crazy. Okay, start with strong support levels, and if you later add ICT, use them. So ChatGPT is generally suggesting you to combine them both. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, based on real data, right? Which traders, which traders are more profitable? Based on real data, which traders are more profitable? Support resistant traders, or you can just say SNR, SR, or ICT. There is no credible public data showing that is okay. Generally, ChatGPT just do not want to answer my question. But anyways, guys, that's it. That's it. I just think support and resistance is better than ICT, right? Because ICT is good. I don't blame ICT traders, but I just generally think support and resistance has been there since I don't know, and he has actually produced more good trades than ICT, right? So yeah, I don't know what you think. Just drop your comments. I'll see you in the next video.